83% of security leaders state that cloud account compromise is one of their top 4 concerns. And while various account takeover protection solutions are available, they are inadequate at stopping highly sophisticated attacks that target the hundreds of available SaaS applications and cloud platforms used by enterprises today. There is simply not enough time to analyze the thousands of behavioral events occurring across organizations each day. Abnormal Security has the solution, with the expansion of the account takeover protection offering, which now delivers autonomous AI analysis to uniformly detect compromised user accounts across your cloud platforms and SaaS applications. When Abnormal's autonomous AI detects a new account takeover in one of your dozens of applications, it automatically creates a new case and alerts the security team. From the Abnormal portal, SOC analysts can see all cases created by Abnormal with a summary of the affected platforms, the confidence level, and the case status. Abnormal's AI evaluates the likelihood that an account is compromised based on various notable behavior deviations. It adjusts its confidence level dynamically, considering the activity's nature, frequency, and past assessments, and continuously monitors for new events to refine its confidence levels. From the behavior case timeline, they have access to detailed information on the individual events that our autonomous AI analyzed and correlated. In this example, we can see how Abnormal identified 9 login attempts into this account, with more than 7 failed attempts coming from an unseen IP and geolocation. This event pattern is commonly associated with brute force attacks resulting in the case creation. Abnormal will continue to monitor for behavior deviations, enriching its human behavior AI models as new anomalies are detected. For example, it then identified an MFA device registration, followed by suspicious signing events in Microsoft 365 and AWS. When configured to do so, account takeover can automatically remediate the cloud identity across all connected platforms. Abnormal is committed to setting a new standard by simplifying security operations, preventing cross-platform account takeovers, and ensuring uniform protection across all cloud identities through the power of AI. Want to know more? Request your personalized demo today.